Promised you a follow-up on the world's smallest TV or video player, and here it is. 3D printed this little white cabinet. You can see that it has a power switch, and as it turns around here you can see the charging connector. Uses a 12-volt charger, and the little unit plays really well. So I have powered it up here, and you'll get another short view of the video playing. All the lights in the shop here are turned on full bore, so you can barely see the picture, but that was pretty much typical. The eyepiece of the camcorder had a rubber piece that fit over the outer part of your eye so that you could darken the screen and actually see what was going on through the viewfinder. So the tube was never really designed to be showing TV shows or video in a bright light environment. And here it is, 3D printed cabinet with a power switch and charging connector, and I have the speaker, and so we'll turn it on, and it has a light, and there's the tube lighting up, and the Raspberry Pi is, you can see the little raspberries on there, and the Raspberry Pi is firing up and going to play our video of the Jackie Gleason Honeymooners.
He's going to pick me up. Oh, good. How long are you going to stay? Just tomorrow afternoon. Hey, Alice, I cleaned out my refrigerator, and it's defrosting now. I was going to just go up tomorrow morning and put it back on for me. Oh, sure. I'd ask Morton to do it for me, but...
So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed working on this project over the last 5 years. Thanks again for watching The Vintage Tech.